How to fix Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Bluetooth headphones not working on Discord Mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your control panel and check for your Bluetooth. So let's say that your Bluetooth is turned on, make sure that you're connected to your headphones as well. First, we'll make sure that it's not a network related issue. So turn on your Bluetooth, check if it's connected and everything's good and fine. Then you can head over to your settings. Then head over to general. Then you'll need to scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then reset your network settings. After you reset your network settings, you can then connect back to your Bluetooth headphones and check if it's working all right. Then what you'll need to do is head over to your Discord. Then go to your U page on the bottom right. Then head over to your settings, that is the gear icon on the top right, tap on it. And after you've done that, you can then search for your settings. Here you can see different settings such as your voice setting. You can see your sound setting somewhere around here as well. So you can go. We'll have fixed your Bluetooth headphones not working on Discord Mobile. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.